And I can't press the button either.
Okay, repeat yourself. What just happened?
Like I thought, like I saw some cuffs on the floor, and I thought they were like kind of kinky. And I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. And then like I put them on my wrist, and I closed them up. Thought they were toy ones, and they're not. God, fuck.
So at
I
least they're
can't get them
only
off.
on one hand, or did you put them around something?
I can't get them off. I swear to God, these are mad real. These aren't fucking toys.
What did you do with your
Nothing.
hands?
Fuck. I'm so pissed off right now. Oh, fuck. I swear to God, I'm gonna have to like go get help. Fuck.
Wait,
I don't know what to do
Call
for
Maddie.
real.
Maybe she has the key.
Maddie wouldn't have the fucking key. Maddie would
Wait,
be
you
like
put
fucking, you were
handcuffs
fucking
on
weird.
your hands, like both of
Yeah,
them,
I
like,
thought they were like toy handcuffs, and they're not.
why would you have them?
Because I thought they were like, I don't know.
So you're saying
God.
that you randomly found handcuffs and your first
Yeah, I have a
instinct
bunch
was
of
to
random
try
shit in
them.
my house, okay? I've been here
You
for
have a what?
years.
So one of your friends forgot their handcuffs.
I thought they were toys.
Are they the real
This is
key
not a
ones?
toy. Oh, it just made them tighter. Fuck.
You should really twit pick this.
Oh, fucking hell. I'm seriously pissed.
You just pulled an Ashley. Oh my god.
Put a picture of it on Twitter, yeah. I want to see them.
Fuck. Oh, put it on Twitter with my handcuffs behind my back. Yeah. Fuck.
Oh my god. Behind your back?
I
So
thought
your
it'd be
hands
funny.
are
I don't
behind
know
your
why I
back
did
with
it.
those handcuffs on.
How are you
Is
gonna
that
open
what
the
you're
door?
saying?
No, I'm gonna have to break them. I hope they're not like.
How are you gonna even break them?
How are you
They're
gonna
like
break
them
real
if they
aren't
handcuffs,
fake?
You can't.
Here's
You're
what you
going
I
do.
got a hammer.
You're gonna have to.
I got.
If
No,
you
I
have a
don't
hammer,
want
you can
to.
even
I got
hammer
a
them. You're
treadmill. I
going
could
for
put it underneath the
sand.
motor of the treadmill, maybe. I
Rob,
don't
you're gonna
know.
have
Fuck.
to. Well, really flex your arms out, get your legs out so you can get in front so you
In
don't have
front
to
of-
open the
yeah.
door
Fuck it.
backwards.
Fuck it.
Start
Fuck! It's too hard.
That's what she said.
God.
This is America's nation. A ranger stuck with handcuffs on, and he thought the first instinct was, let's play with them.
I swear to God, I can't get these off. And these are like tiny fucking things, toy things. I thought they're not. God, they fucking hurt. God.
No shit, don't keep tightening them. Hey, I wonder if you could call
I'm not
911
trying
and
to
be
tighten
like, can
them,
you
I'm trying to
please get these
unloose them."
handcuffs that I found randomly in my house
Yo,
off?
it's so
breaking 'em. I'm
funny.
fucking
You sound like a
breaking 'em.
freaking retard. Like,
I'm
it's
breaking.
embarrassing.
Yeah, no
God,
offense,
that
Rob, but you
hurts.
just went past the Ashley style.
Yeah, that's
sh-
stupider than anything I would ever do.
Shut up! Oh, God, that hurts. Oh, fuck it. Oh! God, that hurt. Fucking hell. I'm gonna
If
have
they're
to like
metal
call
handcuffs,
somebody.
you can't.
How am I gonna call?
You want me to call them for you?
You can't call them, Chrissy.
What
Well, Rob,
happened?
it's too bad you don't have an iPhone. Oh. Looks like he's mad. Darn.
Knocked my PlayStation down, and then like it fucking up everything, but I got them off.
You got them off.
Yeah, I fucking tripped over this shit. It was like the Ethernet
Twit
cable
pick,
fucking
dude, twit
busted
pick.
my head over the fucking Bose system. And trying to catch myself, I ripped the cuffs open.
I would definitely do a twit pick.
Ah, that fucking hurt. So fucking bad. Oh my God, my wrist hurt.
Good job.
Shut up.
Dumb ways to die
Dumb
in
ways
video
to
games.
die.
This will be good.
Run out of there.
Haha!
The ledge that is
Assassin's Creed, you die.
You think
That's the Assassin's Creed one.
I shouldn't have driven
That was
off.
that was the best
I'm
one.
watching Dumb Ways to Die parody. Here you go.
The Assassin's Creed one's the best one. Fuck, that hurt.
This is awesome. Alright, I'll restart it and put my camera on so you guys can see this because I don't want to listen to this song again. Alright, ready?
You can run out of air, miss a ledge that isn't there.
Oh, you died.
You think that you're
Mario Kart.
player
Shit.
two, go into town and
Aha!
abuse cuckoos. Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to
Fuck that, I skipped this song. Here we go.
running into the grass,
Ha!
your teammate being an ass.
Oh, you die.
Getting booed off the stage, die getting sacked by Johnny Cage.
Oh.
Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to die.
Skip that.
A creeper in,
Ha!
there's no button to swim. That
Grand Theft Auto.
stupid bitch, she always
It's a
dies.
golden eye.
Ha!
Believing that the cake is alive. Dumb ways to die, so many dumb ways to die. Leave a cap in a stack, trigger an alien attack. Getting ganked by a rogue that one f***ing level in Battletoads. Dumb ways to die.
Hell yeah.
So many ways to die. Try to ford that river and get dysentery. You beat the lead four, but you lose to Gary. Please check the bush when your teammates aren't there. When the ammo stick is just everywhere.
That was
Slow
Team
on the
Fortress.
clock for a
Resident Evil, Rob will love this.
it may not run, but it's
And Sheva dies.
Oh, how many times you fucking caused me to die in that game? Oh my gosh. Oh.
Throw your controllers. A message from.
Not bad, not bad.
Since you don't have RE6, me and Zombie have been playing it.
I was gonna
She's
pick
pretty
it
good
up
at it.
soon anyways. It was gonna be a Christmas present to you, but way to ruin it.
Oh, alright. It's all good. Oh, this is my favorite game though. Not even playing. I love it.